Values alone do not create and build culture. Living your values only some of the time does not contribute to the creation and maintenance of culture. Changing values into behaviors is only half the battle. Certainly, this is a step in the right direction, but those behaviors must then be shared and distributed widely throughout the organization, along with a clear and concise description of what is expected. It is not enough to simply talk about it. It is critical to have a visual representation of the specific behaviors that leaders and all people managers can use to coach their people. Just like a sports team has a playbook with specific plays designed to help them perform well and win, your company should have a playbook with the key shifts needed to transform your culture into action and turn your values into winning behaviors. The author's argument in this passage is about the importance of transforming values into consistent behaviors and the role this plays in creating and maintaining a company's culture. The author argues that merely having values or living them only some of the time is not sufficient to build a strong culture. Instead, these values need to be converted into behaviors, which should then be shared and distributed throughout the organization. The author emphasizes that it's not enough to just talk about these behaviors. There needs to be a clear and concise description of what is expected and a visual representation of these behaviors that leaders and managers can use to coach their people. Drawing a parallel with a sports team, the author suggests that just as a sports team has a playbook with specific plays designed to help them perform well and win, a company should also have a playbook that outlines the key shifts needed to transform its culture into action and turn its values into winning behaviors. In my opinion, the author makes a compelling argument. The process of transforming values into behaviors and ensuring they are consistently practiced across an organization is indeed crucial in shaping its culture. This approach not only ensures that the values are not just theoretical concepts, but are lived and breathed by the members of the organization, thereby fostering a strong and positive culture.